The DS18 PRO-ZT69 6x9 speakers are engineered to deliver exceptional audio performance with a wide frequency range, making them ideal for audiophiles seeking high-quality sound. These speakers are capable of handling up to 550 watts of peak power, ensuring they can meet the demands of even the most challenging audio applications. Featuring a neodymium magnet, the PRO-ZT69 speakers offer enhanced magnetic flux density, resulting in a more powerful and precise sound output. The robust construction of these speakers includes a water-resistant design, offering durability and longevity even in harsh environmental conditions. With an included black metal mesh grille, the DS18 PRO-ZT69 speakers are not only easy to install, but also protected against physical impacts. As a true pro audio coaxial speaker, the PRO-ZT69 provides a comprehensive range of sound, surpassing traditional speaker options for those who demand superior audio quality.